Let this financial year be the year where you not only save better but increase your money too. Sounds like too much effort? Relax and watch this reel. Saving and growing money involves three basic things. Firstly, budgeting. This sounds easy, but it demands dedication and adherence. We have a super easy template that you can download for free to prepare your monthly budget. All you have to do is comment a hi and we will share the template with you. You are welcome. Once you have factored in your bills and monthly expenses, you are left with the money that you can use to invest to pay less taxes. Do not leave tax saving till the end of the year. You can set aside some amount of money every month to invest in these options. These options will also help you build your retirement fund with minimum risk. Once you have set aside a monthly amount to invest to pay less taxes, it is now time to invest to grow your money. You can divide this amount into different options like low risk, low return investment option, medium risk, medium return investment option, and high risk, high return investment option. There you go. Now you know the secret to great financial planning. Follow us for more informative content.